Hey there, my name is Amit Surana and I'm here to answer some of your questions regarding the Pioneer batch. I know a lot of you have spent their energy and time, they've invested their energy and time in asking about the Pioneer batch. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to return the favor in spending some time and energy to explain to you what the Pioneer batch is, what would be included in it, would we be doing only a specific parts of it, or are we going to complete the entire syllabus? Are we going to focus only on cat? Would there be additional practice along with it? So chalo, let's quickly talk about the MBA Pioneer batch for 2023. The batch is starting on the 16th of Jan 2023. Mark this date in the live classes, right? So we are going to do live classes here. You will be attending the session live. Yes, there will be about more than 150 live classes in there. We'll be doing 2-hour sessions, right? Apart from the usual 1-hour session that we do, we will be doing 2-hour sessions. That means more time to focus on the concepts, more time to focus on the practice, all that stuff. The timing is kept keeping the thing in mind that a lot of working professionals, a lot of college going students would be attending this. So we've set the time that will suit everybody. The timing is going to be 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. But do not worry if you miss out on a few live classes. Obviously, I would want you to attend all of the classes live. But for some unforeseen circumstances, if you are not able to attend some lectures, these lectures will be available for you to view later as well. Yes, and the notes for the sessions will also be provided. So obviously you can go ahead and take notes while you are listening to the class, but then if you want to refer to them later, you can have the notes. At the same time, we'll also be providing you daily practice questions for each lecture in the Pioneer batch. Apart from the live classes, let's talk about what will be done in these live classes, right? What's going to be the content? So we're going to do the complete course from A to Z and beyond. Basic concepts करेंगे obviously, क्योंकि concepts के बिना we cannot directly jump into questions, right? So basic concepts will definitely be covering. We'll be giving you ample examples to help you understand each of the concepts. There will be in class practice as well. So apart from the daily practice questions that we'll give you to do it later, we'll be doing in class practice as well. Since the classes are going to be 2 hour long, that means it gives us more time to talk about different variety of questions and to try them out as well. And we'll be doing questions of all level, basic, intermediate as well as advanced. So you don't have to worry about, sir, I'm looking at this particular topic for the first time. Would this batch be right for me? Or sir, I've been preparing for the last year as well. I've been preparing in the last year as well. क्या ये course मेरे लिए सही रहेगा? Obviously, this is going to cater to every kind of person, right? And the next question, sir, सिर्फ CAT पे focus होगा या other management entrance tests as well? You have the answer here, right? So we will be focusing on CAT and other management entrance tests as well. Yes, this is going to be the content. This is what we will be focusing on and completing in each of these 2 hour long sessions, right? And the sessions are going to be interactive. In the sense, you will be able to talk to us, you will be able to communicate to us. Yes, if you have any questions or queries, you can directly ask the educator. It is going to be fun, obviously, because if it is live, if it is interactive, there has to be that fun component, right? So fun रहेगा definitely. कैसे? We will be doing in class polls, मतलब वहीं पे competition हो गया. Yeah, these polls are going to ensure that you understand everything that we've taught. Basics, concept, examples. आपको सब कुछ समझ में आया नहीं आया? We'll be doing polls on that, right? There will be in-class challenges and quizzes as well to help you ensure कि आपको जो भी पढ़ाया गया है वो आपको समझ में आया. Next, obviously, it's going to give us some classroom vibes, but with the luxury of you sitting nicely on your couch at home, right? तो अपने घर पे आराम से आप देख सकते हैं. You can obviously figure out what you're comfortable with. Yes, but then it's going to give you vibes of a classroom. And obviously, what's learning without a little fun in it, right? तो अगर इसमें आप enjoy नहीं कर रहे हो, आप क्या पढ़ रहे हो, then it's not learning at all. Yeah, so learning should be accompanied by a little enjoyment as well. So I hope all your questions with regards to Pioneer batch is answered. No, it isn't. Don't worry. go ahead and watch the next lecture, next video in this playlist, and Rara sir will ensure कि आपके इस पे और जो भी questions है he will be answering that. So don't forget to check out the next video in the playlist. Until then, all the best. Cheers.